Today I'm going to change the fuel filter on this 2002 Dodge Ram 2500. It's got the Cummins 24 valve turbo diesel engine. And now this is something that you need to do regularly, like when you change your oil. This one is coming up due, and I also noticed that the fuel pressure gauge that's installed is doing some fluttering, and so I'm going to change this fuel filter out because it's time. Now, in order to do this, you're going to need a 1 1/8" socket, and the fuel filter housing is right here. There's a plastic cap and a nut that's on top of the housing. So I've got an extension, a 1/2 inch ratchet, and so I'm just going to put it on top of that nut and then loosen the lid so I can access the filter. There's a lever here to drain the filter housing, so I'm going to drain that. I've got a pan underneath to catch the fuel, and we're going to pull out the old filter. And you can see it doesn't look too bad, but it does have some dirt and debris in it, so we're going to go ahead and pull that off. We're going to put a new filter on it, and the new filter comes with a new O-ring, so we're going to make sure to get that new O-ring installed. You just need something to grab the O-ring and get it out of there. Okay, there's the old one. Okay, and new O-ring is in place. Just going to wipe a little of that fuel around there just to help give it a little bit of lube. All right, now the end with the hole on it goes on the bottom, so we're just going to snap this into the top and then screw it down into the housing. Okay, we've drained enough fuel out, so we'll go close our drain valve. Screw our lid back on, and then we're going to use our socket wrench just to snug it down. All right, that's good to go. Now we just need to maybe cycle the ignition a couple times, prime the fuel system, and then we're gonna give it a test drive. Okay, I just took the truck on a test drive, and now my fuel gauge is reading rock solid, and the fuel gauge needle is holding steady. Before, when the filter was getting dirty, I was getting some fluctuation under acceleration, and now it's running good. Needle's holding solid. So we've got a successful change here of the fuel filter. So anyways, we're good to go probably for another several thousand miles. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.